Are you asking yourself why you can't make progress in life although you put in the extra hours? Do you want to know the reason and a way on how to solve your problem? Then this video is exactly for you. Have a seat, take something to write, and let's jump right into it. In this video you will learn how progress evolves over time. Therefore we'll show the progress formula. Second, the actual reason why you're not progressing in life. And third, how to ensure progress for future endeavors. When I said progress formula, I don't want to bother you with complicated formulas or so. Let's keep it clean and simple. Progress equals consistency over time. What do I mean with that? Let's focus on time first. Imagine the following scenario. Assume you have $1 which doubles every month. In the first row you can see the months 1 to 12, so basically a year. And in the second row you can see the amount of money. In the beginning you have $1. After 1 month of doubling it, you have 2. Then 4, 8, 16, and it goes on and on. By the end of month 11, you'll have over $2,000. As you can see, the gained amount of money between month 1 and 2 is only $1. Although the gained amount of money between month 11 and 12 is over 1,000. After understanding the power of time and the progress formula, let me explain consistency with another example. Imagine there are 2 planes. Both have a common goal, here illustrated in the top right corner. Let's bring them to the same starting position. And let's also mark a couple of phases in here. In phase 1, you can see the yellow plane is just putting a bit more effort into it and is therefore in the lead. Phase 1 is basically the start of all our long-term endeavors. We're just getting started. In phase 2, yellow is still in the lead. Phase 2 is when you see first results. But now in phase 3, you can see that red is in the lead. How is that? The issue sometimes is that when we get started, we are overexcited and we want to make progress quick. We overdo things. And the consequence of that is that we have to slow down during phase 3. And that's actually pretty bad, because in phase 3, we are building momentum. When we start to decrease, we will not stay in the same position. We will actually fall back and kill the whole progress we made. That's what you can see in phase 4, where red is flying towards the goal, but yellow is losing track. It's so important to stay consistent, to build momentum and not to let it go again. So now you know how progress evolves and the reasons for not progressing in life. Basically, it's not giving enough time to your endeavors or being not consistent enough. But there are a couple of actions you can take in order to ensure progress for the future. Don't overdo or rush things. Very often when we are starting out, we are overexcited to see results. And as you remember our math example with doubling the money each month, in the beginning results are not that obvious. Keep that in mind and don't overdo it. Start small and they grow organically instead. Try to break down your goals into daily goals so you can increase daily. 1 step per day, so you can stay very consistent. Try to implement your small steps into a habit so it becomes natural for you. If the next step seems to be too hard, then first keep your level. Sometimes we have to adjust and get used to the new level. So keep your level for now, and if you feel confident again, you should strive again for the next step. And later in the process, you will start noticing progress, changes, results. Finally, that's when momentum is building. That's the moment you have to make sure to keep going, to keep momentum. Don't decrease. After time, you will be able to increase again. But don't decrease, keep momentum. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. And I hope I could help you out with your question, why you are not progressing in life. Progress does not fit into today's microwave mentality. Progress will compound over time with consistency. If you're interested in more of these videos, let me know in the comment section below. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to get more of this content regularly. Thanks for watching and see you the next time.